Are you tired or struggling to understand well-controlled concepts? Do you find it challenging to grasp IWCF and IADC well-controlled topics? Fear not, because Erigworld has the solution to your problem. Introducing our revolutionary online course, Mastering IWCF Well Control in 7 Days, by Ajay Verma. Designed to make you a well-control expert in just 1 week. Let's take a look at what you'll learn each day. All topics are divided into 6 days. Day 7 is dedicated to testing your learning with a set of mock tests. After completing the test, you can check your score and review your incorrect answers with a video explanation of the correct answer. With 71 video lectures, 1250 solved questions with video solution. Specially designed by Mr. Ajay Verma. Are you struggling to calculate kill sheet questions? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our unique kill sheet learning module program. Calculating correct well volumes is crucial for effective well control, a competency that can be developed through our kill sheet learning module offered in English and Hindi. This course is designed to enhance your ability in solving kill sheet queries and grasping the methodology, supported by 7 solved examples. Successful completion of this module may result in a 20% score boost to enhance your performance in IWCF well control exams. Are you a level 4 or supervisor level candidate and feeling stuck when it comes to solving gauge problems or navigating pre-solved kill sheets? Introducing Erigworld's Mastering IWCF Well Control in 7 Days course. Designed for supervisor level candidates, our program offers hands-on solutions to real-world challenges. With pre-solved gauge problems to help, you'll be well prepared to ace the final exam and achieve a 20% mark increase. Don't let well-controlled complexities hold you back. Enroll in Erigworld's Mastering IWCF Well Control in 7 Days course today and become a well control expert in no time.